Just write it by your own. What type of conversion? For example, burning the light. Burning the light, I give the situation, and corresponding to that, you write it. Electrical energy converted into light energy. So like that I wanted. Okay, I'll give you 5 or 6 situations. Then we go to the next topic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And for your MCQ, already the VPs must have sent the portions. You don't have the portions from potential energy onwards. Potential energy onwards, you don't have the portion to study for MCQ. Clear? So I have given the page number of gravitation and page number of the work and energy, what you have to study for MCQ. Clear? Okay. So I will give you some situations for you. You give me what type of conversions. Okay.
In notes, we have to write.
Yeah, you have to write. So you write the question, because this kind of a question will be there in your MCQ. State the conversion of, I hope it is visible to you to see. State the conversion of energy in the following situations. State the conversion of energy in the following situations. Okay. The number 1. Write the case, and you have to write below that what conversion. Speaking through microphone. What you have to write? For example, light burning. Burning light, I told you, you have to write electrical energy into light energy. Similarly, here also like that. Let me see how many can rightly tell me what conversion it is. Okay, yeah. 4 cases I have given to you. You write what conversion taking place in both situations.
Ma'am, microphone means mobile phone, ma'am. Ma'am, microphone means mobile phone.
Microphone means mic.
Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others?
Ma'am, will you show the slide once more?
Okay, okay. Okay. Everyone hope,
Yes,
I hope
ma'am.
everyone completed.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Rifa, can you tell me first case? What do you mean by speaking through microphone? What is the conversion you have written there?
Ma'am, from potential energy to kinetic energy.
Microphone actually we are using for what purpose, Rifa? Microphone you are using for actually for what purpose?
For speaking, for talking.
So for speaking. So in that, speaking means which is the energy in speaking? What's the main energy in speaking? When you speak, you are able to listen. So what is that energy?
Sound energy.
Sound energy. So instead of potentiality, kinetic energy, what you should write? Microphone is working using
Ma'am, sound
with what?
energy convert.
Wait. I come to you. Speaking through microphone, actually you are able to listen to me, correct? Okay, so what conversion is taking place? From which
sound
energy to which energy?
Sound energy to electric energy.
Okay, Rifa, did you get that point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sound energy to electrical energy, correct one. Because through microphone, what energy I am giving? Yes, I have the potential energy, but in which form I am giving? In form of speaking. That means in form of sound. So potential energy and kinetic energy, these are the major one, but depending upon the situation, you have to name that energy. Correct. So first case, speaking through microphone is converting sound energy into electrical energy. So when it reached your headphone or microphone, what happened? When it reaches to your headphone, again that electrical energy converting into sound energy. So microphone, sound energy into electrical energy. Loudspeaker, electrical energy into sound energy. Okay? Yes, you got it. So now second point, what I said, mobile charging, what I gave you. Yes, mobile charging.
Yes, ma'am.
Mobile charging, give me answer. Arjun, can you give me the answer? Mobile charging, what conversion taking place when you charge the mobile?
electric,
Electrical energy converted into
uh,
mobile. What we have, where the energy, this electrical energy is stored in the mobile, in which
battery,
part? Yes. So battery is a part of which study? Chemistry, physics, or bio? Battery. Battery belong to which part of the science? Chemistry, physics, or the biology?
Chemical energy.
Yes, correct. Chemical energy. Because chemistry. So it's a part of chemistry. Battery is a chemical cell. Correct? So in mobile charging, electrical energy converting into chemical energy. Okay. So next, Adi, you should give me answer. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis done by plants. Okay. What type of energy conversion there? What the plants do in order to cook the food? What they do? Adi.
Light energy.
What they receive in order to
Light
cook.
energy.
Light energy, correct. Light energy converted into what energy in food, in plants? In what form that energy in the plants? You eat and you will get that energy, correct? So in what form?
Muscular energy.
Loud enough, loud enough.
Don't know.
Not potential, okay. But more than that.
Don't know. Ma'am, don't know.
chemical energy.
Yes, correct, Savio. Chemical energy. Savio, you can switch on video, no? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, instead of like light energy, if we are saying solar energy into
That's
chemical
also correct.
energy.
That's also correct. Okay. Because solar energy is a sunlight. Correct. So solar energy or light energy converted into chemical energy because the plants are cooking food. So that food is stored in the plants in form of carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids. You have learned in 7th standard.
Ma'am.
No? Yes.
Mobile charging is electric energy too.
Chemical energy. Chemical energy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So photosynthesis, solar energy or light energy into chemical energy. Correct. Okay. Yes. Last one, rotation of fan. Okay, that's more simple. You can tell me. Rotation of fan, what is that? Melvin, can you say? Melvin, where are you? Tell me what is the conversion in rotation of fan?
Air energy.
Which energy? Fan is rotating because of what energy?
Electrical.
Electrical energy. It is converted into which form of energy? Fan is rotating, that means fan is moving. So what energy?
Chemical.
No chemical. Where is the
Ma'am,
chemical?
wind. Ma'am, wind energy.
Rotation of the fan.
Potential.
Electrical energy converted into which energy?
Mechanical.
Yeah, mechanical energy because fan is a machine. Mechanical energy, or you can also write kinetic energy because fan is rotating, no? So it's a moving energy. Since fan is a machine, we can also write mechanical energy. So you can either one you can write. One is electrical energy into mechanical energy. Another one is electrical energy into kinetic energy. Okay? Shall we give you more examples? Then only you will okay.
Yes,
Because you're not
ma'am.
okay with it. So we will see. So you have to think. Little more thinking is required. Depending upon the situation, how you can change the answer. Okay? I'm giving another set of situations for you. So we can write it at number 5 instead of now 4. Number 5. Working of a mixer grinder. Next situation, working of a mixer grinder. Second one I can say electromagnet. I think 7th standard you have learned this electromagnet. Then I am giving you same thing, loudspeaker. Playing football. So you can write as number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. Working of a mixer grinder, electromagnet. Okay. This board is like this, huh? Wait. It's correct. It's like that only, no? Look at the names are upside down.
Ma'am,
It's mirror. No wonder. I thought of lens. It's mirror. Mirror is okay. Yeah. Right. It's like that only, no?
Ma'am, kinetic energy means the energy that is stored, no, ma'am.
Kinetic energy, no. Kinetic energy is a moving energy. Whenever an object moves, it possesses kinetic energy. Suppose in the case of machine, instead of kinetic energy, we can speak about mechanical energy. That's it.
Finish, ma'am.
Ashik, finish. What about others?
ma'am,
Yes, Rifa, you want to see once again?
no, ma'am. In the first example, speaking through microphone, no, like last session of example.
Yes. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
in that it can be electrical energy to sound energy.
No, through microphone. Why I'm saying that? Through microphone we are using for what? For speaking. Correct. So if I am speaking, it's my energy is the sound energy. Because whatever energy I have, what it's converting into sound energy. So we don't think about before the sound. We just say sound energy. So through the microphone, what happened? This sound will be travel through the wire. So inside the wire, it is not in the form of sound. It is in the form of electrical signals. Okay. Then it reaches to the loudspeaker. So loudspeaker has a particular component which can convert electrical into sound again. Okay. So now you are listening to me. That means through your headset or through your computer loudspeaker, computer speaker. So what the computer does, when my electrical signals of my sound reaches to your computer, the computer has a component. It will be reconvert that electrical signal into
Ma'am, transmit.
sound energy again. Yeah, so that's what. Okay. So we have to only think about which is the predominant energy is converting. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Shall we ask to Aditya Nair? Because some students I already asked. Can you give me the first one? What conversion, Aditya?
Electrical energy to mechanical energy.
Correct. Electrical energy to mechanical energy. That's correct. You can write kinetic energy also, no problem. Correct. Okay. Then after Aditya, who is on the board now? Hadi. Yes. You will give me the answer for electromagnet. You must have learned in 7th standard electromagnet.
Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy to magnetic energy.
Okay, that's you correct. But kinetic energy you can change. In electromagnet, which energy is the one used to convert into magnetic energy? Electromagnet. From that you get the answer.
Electric energy.
Electrical energy. Okay. In 7th standard you learned magnetic effect of electric current. That means whenever a current flows through a wire, the wire become an electromagnet. You remember that? So that's it. Electromagnet, what is the conversion? Electrical energy into magnetic energy. Don't worry, 10th standard you have a one full chapter of magnetism again, and that is will be continue in +2 also. Okay. Next, loudspeaker. I already explained to Rifa, so you can tell me what is the conversion in loudspeaker. I already given the clarification regarding microphone, loudspeaker. Who can give me answer? Vishnu Priya, you can tell me. In loudspeaker, what is the conversion of energy?
Electrical energy to sound energy.
Yes, very good. Electric energy into sound energy. Microphone, sound energy into electric energy. Loudspeaker, electrical signals is converting into sound energy. Okay, good. The last one, it is very simple, I know. I can Haya. Who's that? Haya. Haya. Savia already given me answer, so I am skipping Savia. Go to Haya. Haya disappeared. Haya, where are you?
Ma'am, in working of a mixer grinder, what is the conversion?
Electrical energy converting into mechanical energy. Electromagnet, electrical energy converting into magnetic energy. Okay, Haya disappeared. Vishnu, can you tell me? Playing football. Who is playing? Just imagine you are playing football. So what conversion it is taking place? Tell me. Vishnu, VB.
I don't.
Don't know. When you play football, you don't use any energy, Vishnu?
Ma'am, muscular energy to potential energy.
Playing football. Football is moving, no? When you play, we are moving. So which energy it's supposed to be?
Potential.
Potential energy at rest. Kinetic energy, correct. Muscular energy into kinetic energy. Do you want more examples? Still you are not okay with it, I hope so.
No, ma'am.
You want more examples?
No, ma'am.
It's okay?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. Similarly, burning of pepper. Burning of
Ma'am,
pepper.
potential energy to chemical energy.
Burning of pepper. Okay. Before turning into chemical energy, what is actually when the pepper burns? What produces first? Chemical is last.
energy.
Heat energy. So from where to where? Potential energy, it's correct. Potential energy of the pepper, but you can say little more. Pepper is made up of chemicals. So you can say in that case,
Chemical to heat
energy
energy.
into heat energy. Clear?
Heat energy.
Now,
Yes,
burning
ma'am.
of a candle. What answer you should give me? Burning of a candle.
Wax energy into
Heat energy to light energy.
Heat energy
Ma'am,
into
potential energy to light energy.
And heat energy to light energy.
heat energy, light. Okay. Heat and light both are coming simultaneously.
energy to
Wax energy. Correct, Melvin. What is wax is made up of what?
chemical energy.
Chemical. Wax is a chemical. Chemical energy into light energy. Heat energy is very less. Candle we are using for what? Particularly what we are using for showing light, no? So that's why you can ignore heat energy and you can write it down. Burning of candle mainly we are using to light. So you can write it chemical energy into light energy. Clear? Okay. A burning of wood. Can you tell me the answer? Burning of the wood.
And potential to
Ashik, potential. Come to the chemical. 3, 4. You are continuously taking potential. That is why I am
and
giving more
chemical energy
example of
to
chemicals. Okay. You leave the potential now. You come to the matter now. You correct.
and chemical to heat.
Chemical. Okay. Yes, that's okay. For your, I'll give you one thing. A ball at the tower falling. Now tell me, what type of energy in that? A ball on a tower and it is falling. Now you tell me, what is the conversion?
And kinetic energy. It is
That is correct. So before kinetic energy, what is energy the ball has?
Potential energy.
Now you got potential energy. Yeah. So in that, when object is at rest, we can say potential energy. Whatever is a chemical energy, everything is a part of potential energy. But you have to give the conversion according to the situation. That's all. Now you understood? So a ball which is on placed
ma'am.
somewhere, it started falling. Then you can write directly potential energy converting into kinetic energy. Okay. Now another thing I can tell you, a cat is on the floor, and some of you are very naughty. That cat was sleeping. Some of you naughty fellows are just kick the cat. What type of energy in the cat? Tell me. I'm not talking about kicking off your energy. I'm talking about cat. What is the
Kinetic
conversion?
energy.
Ma'am,
Kinetic energy,
Potential.
correct. From where to where?
Potential energy.
Potential.
Now
Kinetic.
understood potential energy. So energy, potential energy, when we use, when an object is at rest. Clear? Kinetic energy
Yes,
when
ma'am.
it started moving. Okay. This you do with your siblings also. Your small brother may be lying down. You pass there, you give one taka on the head. Okay. So what you do? Your brother start crying. Yeah. So that's a part of it. So this is a conversion of energy. So when you just give one hit on your brother's head, actually you are transferring your muscular energy to that boy. That is why that boy's potential energy now turning into movement. Correct? Okay. Any doubt regarding this, children? So you are
No,
using.
ma'am.
One period is getting over now with this only thing. Okay, no problem. So MCQ portion you are okay with it, no? This much is our MCQ portion. Clear? Okay. So
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
meet in the next class. We will finish next class. We will finish, and I have to discuss with you problems after the chapter finishing. Okay. Revision is coming
Yes,
up,
ma'am.
so we have to do chemistry. How many chapters completed? All of you, tell me.